basics of Budd-Chiari syndrome and management. Okay, so in Budd-Chiari syndrome, the few veins connect the liver to the IVC, that is the hepatic vein. So in Budd-Chiari there is a hypercoagulable state, so in which there is a thrombosis in hepatic vein. Okay, so thrombosis in hepatic vein. Okay, but liver is normal. Remember, liver is normal. Okay, so in this part is there is a hypercoagulable state or thrombosis, so it will lead to increase the portal pressure. Okay, so Budd-Chiari syndrome is most common cause of post hepatic cause of increased portal hypertension. Okay, and mainly in the West. In India, this is the IVC waves. Okay, or Asian country. Okay, so what is the clinical feature? So suppose this part is having hypercoagulable state or thrombosis, so this will exert pressure here, so liver will be enlarged. Okay, if liver is enlarged, so it will cause stretching of the liver capsule, so pain, and since there is an increased portal pressure, so it will lead to further rise in the pressure in SMV. Okay, and this will lead to the ascites. Okay, so triad is abdominal pain, hepatomegaly, and ascites. Okay, so remember, there is no jaundice since liver is normal. This is the most commonly asked. So there is no jaundice in the triad of Budd-Chiari syndrome. Okay, pathology I have explained. Okay, and since the caudate lobe of liver has direct drainage to the IVC, so the hypertrophy of the caudate lobe, this will be seen in the CT scan. So very peculiar of this Budd-Chiari syndrome, isolated hypertrophy of caudate lobe of the liver. Okay, so this will seen in the CT scan. Okay, and the treatment, how we can treat this condition? So we have to reduce this pressure. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will take this portal vein and will bring down to this. Okay, and connect to IVC. So side to side portocaval shunt is the shunt procedure. Okay, this is very famous question, and since the liver is normal, okay, so we do shunt procedure. In later case, if when liver is not working, so main treatment is liver transplantation. Okay, so they ask triad. Okay, the pathology, okay, investigation, that caudate lobe hypertrophy, and the treatment, that shunt, side to side portocaval shunt. Okay, thank you.